Welcome to AD Hydro Pneumech Engineers. AD Hydro Pneumech Engineers known for their features: high performance, easy to operate, sturdy construction, less maintenance, reliability, long service life, hydraulic swagging machine for silent lock bushes. The entire work is supervised by our team members who have rich knowledge and experience in the domain. Also, we regularly upgrade the furnished machines to attain high production with optimum quality. Under the management of our CEO Amrish Bhatia, we have an ultra-modern infrastructural setup that is equipped with the latest tools and machinery. This infrastructure is categorized into different subunits like procurement, manufacturing, quality testing, warehousing and packaging, marketing. This infrastructural unit helps us to manufacture our machines with quality. Keeping in mind the diverse demands of our clients, we provide these machines in several specifications. We are having a spacious manufacturing unit for designing and developing our wide range of collections. Our products are formulated using high-grade quality materials and according to the requirements of the clients. Our unit is having large spacious area in such a way and meets the bulk needs of the customers. Our offered machines are manufactured using high-quality components and cutting-edge technology. In order to deliver a defect-free range at user's end, these machines are rigorously checked by our quality experts against diverse parameters of quality. Keeping in mind the diverse demands of our clients, we provide these machines in several specifications. We are providing a high-quality range of Hydro Pneumatic Presses, transfer molding machine, hydraulic power packs, pneumatic press, heavy transfer molding machine for profiles, hydraulic press, hydraulic transfer molding machine, metallic Bush and Crimping Press, PLC controlled molding machine, down clamp transfer molding machine, hydraulic special purpose machine, etc. Kindly contact us to serve your requirements.